My video guide is about getting rid of fake Windows support alerts that quote this fake Windows support number +1 877 422 9195. Once again, this is a fake Windows support number and you should not call it. Such pop-ups typically come from the random website, and all these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive. They are not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are certain hackers standing behind these pop-ups. They try to make you call this fake Windows support number. If you call it, you will hear these fake Microsoft technicians. They might try to connect to your computer remotely and demand money from you, supposedly to get it fixed. Do not trust these pop-ups. Just leave this page, and I also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.